Hey, good afternoon. This is T. Evans with MarineMax. Today I'm showing you a 2023 Bennington 23 LXSR. It's with ocean blue exterior, silver interior, carbon accent. This is, of course, a Pontoon Yamaha 150, ocean blue in color. Absolute beautiful boat. Ski tow bar, 10-foot bimini. Let's climb aboard, take a look real quick. Removable table right here. Portable cup holders, you can put them where everyone's sitting. We did the white stitching on this actual model. Beautiful boat, tons of seating, seagrass floor, or the bamboo floor, vinyl. Got the Simrad 7-inch, rock from PMX2 upgrade. Got a nice glove compartment over there. All your lighting, interior LED lighting. Absolute beautiful boat, available here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Give us a call, 864-236-9005. Have a great day.